What's up guys, Cody with SonicElectronics.com here. We're here at the Rockford Fosgate booth at SEMA 2024. We've got Mark from Rockford Fosgate and we're taking a look at what they have to offer for your 2018 and up Ranger. So what do we have here on the table, Mark? What are some of the components, some of the different stages that you guys offer over at Rockford?
This is our Stage 6 kit for the 18 and up Polaris Ranger. It comes with a dash kit, a PMX3, 1500 watt M5 amplifier, M2 6.5s for the front inner pods. You will get the plug and play wire harness, and then it also comes with the rear speaker pods that mount to the headliner and the poly roof, plug and play harness, and the subwoofer enclosure. You can put this under the front seat or the back seat if you have the 4-seater.
And that's the Stage 6, is like
that's
the
the Stage 6.
Okay. And if you want to go down a few?
Yep, then if you go down to a Stage 5, it comes with all the same equipment except you don't get the rear speakers.
Okay.
The Stage 5 would be for the guy that doesn't have the poly roof.
Gotcha.
We do make brackets that attach to the cage where you can mount the moto or the weight cans to that and use that instead. And then Stage 4 will bring you down to M1 speakers, front, rear, and sub. And then Stage 3 will bring you down to a 800 watt amplifier, M1 front speakers, and a sub. And Stage 2 will bring you M0 speakers in the front, M0 speakers in the rear.
Nice.
No subwoofer, no amplifier.
So as you can see, a lot of different levels, kind of no matter what your price point or what you're looking to do. You can check them out at rockfordfosgate.com. Be sure to pick up that cool gear over there on SonicElectronics.com, and we'll see you guys in the next one.